Good morning, everyone, especially to Sir Leo or Kaios. I will discuss the stability information using the various stability diagrams, trim tables, and stress tables used on board ships. Number one is stability diagrams. Of a, stability diagrams of a vessel are most consult various onboard resources such as stability diagram, trim tables, and stress tables. There are documents provide crucial information about the ship behavior under the different loading conditions and environmental factors. Stability diagrams graphically represent the relationship between a ship heel and angle and its rightening moment, indicate it's resistant to capsizing. Stability diagram such as GZ curve or rightening are curve show how the ship react to heeling, tilting under various loading conditions. It helps determine if the ship has positive stability, meaning it will return to an upright position after tilting. Diagram are reference to keep the ship at an optimal trim and draft, improving fuel efficiency and reducing stress on the hull. Ito is trim tables. Trim tables are part of a ship stability booklet and provide a quick way to estimate bow loading, discharging, or moving cargo will affect the ship. Trim the difference between the draft forward and aft. Trim tables help determine how the ship's trim will change when loading and unloading cargo, fuel, ballast, or stores, ensuring the ship maintain an even keel and is not bow heavy or stern heavy. Safety during extreme condition. Evaluate structural response. Calculate how the ship's structure will react under extreme condition like stormy weather or a heavy load ensuring the part of the ship exceed its stress limits. In essence, trim tables on board ships are crucial for maintaining optimal trim, ensuring the ship's stability, fuel efficiency, and safety operation. They are used to manage the load distribution, correct the ship's balance, and make adjustments to ensure that the vessel sells safety and efficiency under various operating conditions. The last is stress tables. On board ships are used to analyze and document the stresses experienced by the ship, hull, and structure due to various forces. There are caused by gravity and water pressure. They include the weight of the ship itself, its cargo, and the external hydrostatic pressure exerted by the water. Examples of stress is hugging, sagging, rocking, panting, and torsion. Stress tables help engineers design the ship, hull, and structure to withstand anticipated stresses. Stress table load analyze and weight distribution. Stress tables assist in ensuring proper weight distribution and load limits on a ship. They are used to assess load bearing capacity, calculate the safety weight limit for cargo, fuel, and other materials, helping prevent overloading, which could cause structural failure. Ensure stability, proper distribution of weight, ensuring the ship remains stable, preventing undue stresses that could lead to tipping and capsizing. And last, consult stability diagrams, trim tables, and stress tables to determine the vessel's stability under various conditions and environmental. Yung stress table is makita ninyo sa picture na naay time stresses. Balik-balik ra. Ibutang na to sa 0.1 and ang stresses KPA niya kay is 160. Anong trim tables makita ninyo sa picture ng ibutang sa ubos. Na ang example sa trim tables siyang naani siya sa every barko nga kan kay more guide nila. Dasad ang tawag gani day kay kuan hydrostatic particulars.